Are you dealing with everyday complexities of raising your teenage daughter or son? Do you simply just want to get along and be heard the very moment that you provide instructions rather than being ignored? If so, stick around for a brief, valuable, teachable moment to help you to be heard and not ignored by your teenager daughter or teenage son. Hi, I'm Shantae Golson. And I'm finally ready to crack the code and dispel the myth that all teenage girls and boys are the same when parenting. In my years of working with parents of teenagers and teenagers, I have helped parents and teenagers break the barriers that lead to disconnection between them and help them to understand one another, which brought them back. It brought back the joy in parenting again and brought back the joy of wanting to be around the parent. One of the major problems I've learned from parents of teens every day is their inability to look outside of the frame. The frame represents the system. Each member of the family has their own part inside of the system. And when you are inside the frame, you can't see the truth of the broken pieces. You're too close. Allow me to show you the remains of a disconnected mother and teenage daughter relationship as an example. Constant bickering, dislike for one or each other's presence. Constant disagreement on the smallest things, disrespect and intolerance, constant frustration, and the list continues. I am here to educate you on how to alleviate the disconnection. What are the benefits of fixing the disconnection, you may ask? Okay, I'm glad you did. I'll be glad to share. Your house feels like a home again, rather than a place that you feel uneasy, out of place, or miserable. Loving your teen daughter or son's presence and their voice again. Trusting them, and this produces everyday communication. Decrease in troubles in your teen's daughter or son's life. They'll talk through their problems with you, not being ignored by your teen and getting rid of constant frustration. Woo! Those are good pros to me, and this is just a fraction of the pros. Now, let's talk about the cons of remaining disconnected with your teenager. The cons of not fixing your disconnections are constant frustration, constantly not feeling relaxed in your own home, on edge, wondering what your teen will do next to embarrass or frustrate you. You and your spouse fighting over your teenager's behaviors. Being ignored by your teen as if you have no authority. Or feeling inferior in your parenting. Need I say more? Parenting is not always easy, but having a connection with your teenager makes it a whole lot easier. Not having control in your parenting is not sexy, nor a good feeling. I want you to learn how to have confidence in teaching your teenager life lessons. So let me show you how. If I have something to give to you that you are thinking and you received interest, you received value, or you've had an epiphany through this free training, then follow me to the next page where you can join my membership and or register for a webinar to gain clarity, confidence, and peace in parenting your teenager like I know you can.